Hi, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the differences in the textbooks. We're seeing a discrepancy with what I've assigned and what you're seeing in your ebook. There is a discrepancy. Pearson has two ways of providing our content to us, which is making it confusing. So you've been clicking on ebook, which is fine. Ebook takes you to something called Vital Source, and you see your book looks something like this. If you'll go back into the Moodle shell and look at announcements, I posted something for you last week, so you'd be sure to have it right away, and it's access to the Revel book. So the Revel book has the quizzes in it, and it also has in it the handbook. So when you click on this link, it'll direct you to sign in to your Revel book, and you'll notice this green sticker is on the book. That's the book that you want. I've pulled up a student view, so once you log in, this is what you'll see. It'll show you your assignments due by January 10th. Again, just do the chapter quizzes, not any writing within Revel. If you'll go over and click on contents, you'll see there's really two books. You have here chapters 1 through 38, and that is just the book. If you'll look at my syllabus, let me pull it over. So in the syllabus, you have chapters 2, 21, and 22. So that would be 2, 21, and 22. And then you'll also see that we have assignments from the handbook, chapters 27 and 28. So if you go back to the Revel book, you'll find the handbook is second in the table of contents. And you'll find the chapters 27 and 28. So that is how you'll find the content that you need for your assignments for each week. Let me know if you still have questions. If you do, probably we should do a phone call or a Zoom session so we can walk through it. Thanks.